I'm Dan Zickel. I'm with the WD Quinn Saw Company, and we're located here in St. Louis, Missouri. We just moved to a new facility back in August, and we wanted to open the doors to our local woodworkers, both the Edwardsville and the St. Louis Woodworkers Guild, and give them a shop tour. We've done it in the past, and we know that the group of people, they love coming in, seeing how blades are sharpened. They love to see what's new. You know, we have gotten a couple new machines. As I said, a new facility. It's about 3 times the size of our old facility. Almost all of our equipment is from Germany. It's typically from either Valmer or Laroc. Laroc machines are typically for the high-speed steel metal cutting saw blades, but you're probably going to see mostly Valmer equipment out there sharpening the carbide tip blades, which are used for cutting wood, plastic, non-ferrous metals. There are 4 robotically loaded CNC Valmers in our carbide department, and we have 4 robotically loaded Laroc KSC 710 grinders in the high-speed steel department. So we're one of the only companies to have all that type of equipment all in one place in the US. We also have a robotically loaded saw blade wrapping machine, which is really cool. That's something new we've added recently. And also a blade cleaning machine, so that when the blades come back to you, they're nice, clean, dry, wrapped up, and perfectly sharp for you. And there are still plenty of operations that are done by hand. Tip removal, manual tip replacement, inspection, that's a big one. Hammering a saw blade, being able to know when a blade needs to be straightened, and if it needs to be hammered, where it needs to be hammered. Those are types of things. That's the human interaction that we can provide that not a lot of other companies can, especially the hammering and straightening. We do provide manufacturing of custom saw blades. You will see there is a Hanna automatic brazier out there, and we can customize a blade to anyone's specifications. Typically, we do that for blades you can't find that are on the shelf. We do make a lot of table saw blades, miter saw blades, things like that in-house, made here, all of US-made materials. So if you need something special, you can always ask us. We're happy to provide you guys quotes for any types of special blades you might have.
Well, it was very interesting to see the way they handle the blades, come in and get thoroughly cleaned and inspected, and then determine what modifications need to be made if something's bent or a carbide tooth is missing, and they're set up to make all those repairs right here. I'm very impressed with as much automated equipment that they have, and they not only do the repair to the blade, but they thoroughly check it out and make sure that it's worthy and safe to use.
We also have a breakfast for them that we are offering. We got some pancakes, we're having some attendance prizes, some drawings, and I think that everybody's just gonna have a good day out here.
Everyone here is very welcoming, and what I notice is you can tell that they've been in business for a long time because everything is organized in a way that is meaningful. And there's some really cool equipment. I'm really impressed. The breakfast was good, so I did have a chance to have coffee and pancake. The sausages were awesome. I had a good time today. I'm glad I got up for this.
We just love opening the doors to the local woodworkers. We've had a great turnout today. It's more than we could have imagined, and I hope that everyone has had a wonderful time here.